So what brings me to you today is not a message of reformation, but of restoration. The restoration of that church Christ established by His hand in the meridian of time, and which He has reestablished by His hand in the present time. Our basic message about Christ's restored church and its doctrine is not limited to, but might begin with, the truth that every man, woman, and child who has ever lived, now lives, or will yet live, so long as the earth shall last, is a son or daughter of a loving and divine Heavenly Father. He is the God in whose image we were created, which is not surprising in that children are always created in the image of their parents. As the spiritual offspring of God, we are heirs, heirs of God and joint heirs with Christ. In order to gain a mortal body and experience moral growth available in no other way, a real Adam and a real Eve chose to leave a paradisiacal setting, Eden if you will, to learn all that was necessary for children of God to learn, especially about living together in love, and realizing that the guidance God would give them is the only answer to personal and familial, social and political, economic and philosophical problems.